Let's take a look at how to create lots for a community. To create lots for a community project, you'll need to first access the community. Option 1. Select the All Sites button beside the search bar to view your 10 most recently accessed communities. If you recently access your community, you can select it from the list. If you don't see your community listed, you can use the Find Community search function at the bottom of the drop-down menu to search for and select your community. Option 2. You can also click the Communities button at the top of the page. This will take you to the Communities list. You'll be able to view any communities that you have been added to as a member. If you don't see your community from the list, use the Smart Search bar to search for your community. This will display the Sites page for the community. To create a new lot, click the Lot Actions button, then select New Lots from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the Data Entry screen where you can fill in the information for the lots you are creating for this community. Be sure to select the Title 24 plan associated with the lot you are creating from the drop-down menu. You can create as many lots as you need. Click Create to populate your lots. This will add your new lots to the community. The lot list will display the name, address, permit number if you filled it in, and the plan that is associated with that lot. The right side of the screen displays the Community Dashboard. The Community Dashboard is a snapshot of the status of all documents in a particular site or lot address. The color of the documents will change to reflect their updated status. We've covered the document color and status in an earlier tutorial, but just as a refresher, documents appear blue when they are not started. Documents appear gold when they are assigned for signature or assigned for completion. Documents that have been completed and signed appear as green. Documents that fail appear red. As documents are assigned and completed, they will change color in the Community Dashboard. You can also filter your documents. Click the All button to see the status of CF2Rs and CF3Rs, or click the Installation button to see the status of CF2R documents.